As people emerge into a dynamic society with expanding areas in the workforce, jobs are being created or eliminated. By 2030, more than 2 billion jobs will disappear. Jobs are being replaced by technological means, whether it's by computers or by robots, both completing a wider range of tasks. Levy states that technological innovation machines are replacing humans in performing physical tasks, and cognitive tasks remain largely a human province. The innovation of driverless cars has emerged into the world. Driverless vehicles assure a numerous amount of improvements to traffic. Some aspects of these early achievements have reached production in the form of driver assistance systems for cars. Driverless cars will start to replace human-driven vehicles as transportation evolves into a more independent, on-demand service. This will result in a major shift in the way cars move people and goods around the physical world. These independent vehicles promise improvements such as an increase in highway capacity, easier traffic flow, less fuel consumption, and fewer accidents.
With the development of new technology, you start to see the removal of jobs, especially those in the profession of education. With the removal of these jobs, it is key to find the benefits of something that would usually be seen as bleak. One such benefit would be that the scheduling and choosing a location would be easier than taking your child to a traditional school. Let's say depending on the parent's job, they are unable to take their child to school that day. So instead of worrying about how to get their child to school, all they need to do is have their child log into the class and see what they are required to do for that day. Another benefit of online schooling is that it helps students develop certain skills, such as time management and self-discipline, which is essential because you don't have a teacher reminding you constantly what you have to do. Online courses are also very helpful for those that are in jobs or are looking for jobs because it allows them to get an extra degree or credit so they are able to advance or expand their portfolio.
3D printers will be beneficial in future societies as it will enhance the speed of production, in addition to enabling customized goods to be produced at relatively low costs. 3D printers also allow for a simplified step-by-step assembly of an object, which guarantees enhanced designs and eventually better quality objects. Additionally, 3D printing allows a product developer to make breakthroughs at early stages that are relatively inexpensive, leading to better products and less expensive dead ends. Corporations and households alike will thrive on the everyday uses of simplifying your lives with the use of 3D printers.
The saying robots are going to take over the world may be exaggerated, but to a large extent, these robots will be taking many of our jobs, especially in automated manufacturing. Advances in technology result in a decrease in employment opportunities because companies and industries will be able to input information into these developments that are equal to the skills that current people use for the same exact job. Ball State University states that the decade between 2000 to 2010 marked the U.S.'s largest decline in manufacturing jobs in its history. Robots and automated manufacturing helps increase the overall output and lower the cost of production, but takes away many jobs usually occupied by laborers. The automated manufacturing industry, who's probably impacted the most by technology, would be car manufacturing.